I am walking down to get the mail on a very rainy day. I have my umbrella. It's a very pretty umbrella. And since I started out the door, it's begun raining even harder. But I like a day walking in the rain. Look how pretty the world is. It's rain making the hill across the road foggy. It's been a very wet day so far. I'm gonna see if I can sneak up on their little bunny. He's usually just around this curve. This is our neighbor's driveway. We share a driveway right here. Usually I see a rabbit right here. But it looks like they don't like the rain either. Okay, now on to the post, or to the mailbox.